And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
All right, here's the viewing area here. Lafayette, West Lafayette would be about right there. And you'll notice the west, we've got a storm system with widespread snow. And there's not a lot of moisture with this, but this is dynamic forcing and also frontal forcing for snowfall. And some places up here in Iowa, Nebraska, will get a half a foot, perhaps 7 inches of snow from this. Now that's one element. The other element, notice this green down here in Texas. Moisture starting to come back from the Gulf of Mexico, and also Pacific moisture coming up from the southwest. So we really have two elements here that we have to watch in our forecast for some snow. We'll talk more about that in a few minutes. Some snow is forecast as we get into Friday night and early Saturday morning, then dry and colder Sunday, Monday, and perhaps some more snow on Tuesday. Now tonight will drop to around 20, but tomorrow with some sun, those clouds will be on the increase. We're going to get more thawing. High of 34 degrees Lafayette, Romney, 35 Attica, 35 Fowler. It's still going to melt a lot of snow. 34 at Burlington, even Winnemac and Rochester, 34 degrees. So there's the upper system, the dynamic system with all that snow. Notice the moisture from the Pacific right here. See how they're separate? Here's your system. The moisture's down here. When the two merge, you get big snow events, big storms. Well, the two haven't merged, even though we've got moisture even coming up from the Gulf of Mexico. And when the two merge will determine who gets most of the snow. Now, notice as we get towards tomorrow evening, there's the snow to our west and our northwest. There's the moisture, no merger yet. But notice with time here, even though we get into overnight Friday and then early Saturday morning, a little bit of snow in our area. You can see that snow up to Iowa. There's the dynamic storm system. There's the moisture trying to move northward, but they don't link up until, boom, we get into Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon. Look at all the widespread accumulating snow off to our east and our southeast. So when the two merge will determine where the heavy accumulating snow. It looks like that'll be just east of us. And then as we get into Saturday midday, perhaps still a couple snow showers lingering. Let's move it a little bit tighter here. This is Friday evening. This is as we get into Friday night, early Saturday morning. A period of light snow possible. You can see the blues on the map there, but again, the heavier snowfall potential looks to be just east of us and kind of northwest. Again, this is where the system is, the dynamic system with up to 6, maybe 7 inches of snow. And then when the two pieces come together, you get this heavy snow off to our east. So for us, it doesn't look like necessarily a lot. 1 inch or less for most of the viewing area. We may have a 1 to 2, maybe 3 inch snow up towards Morocco, maybe Monterey, Wheatfield, and perhaps Rochester. And this is snowcast. You can see 1.1 Rochester, Winnemac, 0.3 Lafayette, 0.2 Romney. So this is more like a little coating or dusting. That's more like 1 inch, perhaps a little more than that. And then we watch early next week. Now that system, the moisture and the system may merge together. We may have a better potential of more widespread snow as we get into next week. But it's a close call as we head into tomorrow night and on into early Saturday morning. That pretty heavy snow will be just east of us. 27 for the high Saturday, and then we're at 23 Sunday, and then the next system we'll have to watch for some accumulation. It'll be late Tuesday and into Wednesday morning, but temperatures kind of staying below normal. A very typical winter forecast. The average high, 34. All right.
All right, bundle up.
Yeah.
All right, Jed, thanks. Just ahead, winter storms didn't just hit our area.